Welcome to our screencast on DocuSeal, the open-source document signing solution that's changing the way small businesses handle their paperwork. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or creator, DocuSeal offers a secure and cost-effective way to manage your document signing needs. Let's consider a small vacation property rental agency, BeachHouses Realty, which needs a reliable and secure platform to handle contracts and agreements with clients. With DocuSeal, BeachHouses Realty can create, fill, sign, and store all their documents securely on their own server, ensuring full control over their data without any ongoing subscription costs. Now let's dive into how DocuSeal works. Upon logging in, you'll see the intuitive dashboard. Here you can quickly access your recent documents, drafts, and templates. Let's say you need to prepare a new buyer agreement. Start by clicking on Create. You'll be prompted to upload your document. For BeachHouses Realty, for now, we'll use a sample buyer representation agreement template. We'll upload that and open it in the editor. In the editor, you can easily add fields for signatures, initials, dates, and any other required information. Drag and drop these fields into place, ensuring all necessary details are captured. This flexibility is perfect for customizing documents to fit the unique needs of each transaction. Once your document is ready, click Save. Now, it's time to send it out for signatures. Enter the email addresses of the recipients, specify the signing order if needed, and include a personalized message to guide them through the process. DocuSeal sends out the document with clear instructions for signing. Recipients can review the document, fill in required fields, and sign electronically, all without needing an account. This ease of access is crucial for maintaining a seamless client experience. After all parties have signed, you'll receive a notification. The signed document is automatically stored in your secure DocuSeal archive, where you can easily access and manage it. You can download the document, share it, or integrate it with other business tools using DocuSeal's extensible features. If your self-hosting Formable can help with integrations and app management, DocuSeal offers APIs to integrate document signing into your existing systems. DocuSeal empowers small businesses like BeachHouses Realty to handle document signing efficiently and securely. By keeping everything on their own server, they maintain control over sensitive information, all while enjoying the benefits of a feature-rich, open-source solution. Thank you for watching this screencast on DocuSeal. Explore how it can transform your document signing process today.